Alright, we are solving for x in this equation, and I always like to start out by getting to ABC, so I'll be doing that. So 4x squared. Sorry, let me back up. So what I mean by that is I'm going to want the equation equals 0 here, so I'm going to move over the 6 to this side. And then I'm going to want to multiply a times c to set up the start of our factor. And I believe we're going to have to factor by grouping because there's a large a. So a times c is going to be 4 times negative 6. As you can see, we have a, b, c. So this starts to develop our greatest common factor. Alright, so now we are going to multiply these together. We get negative 24. Now 1 and negative 24 do not work because they don't add up to this 10 here. So then we're going to see, next is going to be 2 and 12. I think that this does work because 2 plus negative 12 is negative 10, and that's what we want. So now we're going to go ahead and put that in. It's going to be 4x squared. And this is replacing our b. We're replacing our b to be able to factor by grouping. So essentially what you're doing is you're splitting up this into two different terms. And it still satisfies the equation. Plus 2x minus 12x minus 6 equals 0. Alright. So now you're going to want to group, and it's actually I actually set it up correctly this time. So these group and they factor by 2x, and then these group and they're going to factor by 6. So now we're going to do 2x times x plus 1. So when you multiply this into this, it's going to actually equal to, sorry, I believe that I made a mistake. We're going to need a 2x here. So yeah, then when you multiply it in, 2x times 2x is actually 4x squared. 2x times 1 is just 2x. And then we're going to do the same thing over on this side, except this time with the 6. And then you're going to carry this negative down. It's going to be negative 6 times 2x minus 1. Alright, sorry, I believe that I made a mistake. So it's actually going to be minus 6 times 2x plus 1. Now these are the same. These two x's are the same. And because of that, we are able to make these the same. Or merge them, my bad. And I actually am forgetting to write this, but I need to be writing equal to 0. Alright, so now once these are equal to 0, sorry, 1 second, 2x minus 6 times 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can split these two up. 2x minus 6 equals 0. 2x plus 1 equals 0. And then you're going to be solving for x. So we can move the 6 over. 2x equals 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. X equals 3. It's going to be one of your answers. Then you're going to move this 1 over. 2x equals negative 1 divided by 2. X equals negative 1/2.